Hey guys, Brennan here with RC Basher. In today's video, we will be crawling my Axial 24th scale Deadbolt at this rocket ship park. It's having a hard time getting up this hill, but that's okay because it's a slippery hill. Well, slide. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, we're on the third story of this gigantic rocket ship park. Don't ask what this is about, because I really don't have the answer. Or this either, because I don't know anyone who would want to stand on this. 3 stories up in the air, but oh my gosh, it is cold up here. Alright. Going down the giant tube now. Well, giant slide. Hopefully we don't fall. Oh no! Oh, that did not sound good. Oh, it works. It still works. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's check. Alright, we made it. Now, just to show you guys, that's how tall it is. That's how tall it is. That's a 3-story building. That's probably bigger than most of your houses. It's definitely bigger than mine. Okay, this is where it ended up. That's kind of crazy. Look at that echo. Echo! Echo! Alright guys, that is going to cut it for this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Because this video was a lot of work. It's like 3 degrees outside or something. I am freezing. I'm probably exaggerating when I say 3 degrees, but you know what? That's fine. Like, especially when we were up on the 3rd story. That was especially freezing. So, see you guys next time on RC Basher.